So we're starting with DSY this morning. Beautiful morning. So clearly now we can see that DSY has been very seriously for a while now, coupled with the fear of recession in the US has contributed to a lot of downward side. So the market is really reacting to a lot of fundamentals, politics, global crisis issues. Now, this morning I just saw that on the news that the China uh, G, G, did something that lost about $55 billion. I was wondering this morning that I saw GDP, JPY serious bullish. I was wondering that was there news on GPP that made GPP so that have that momentum that around that 8 a.m. this morning. I checked the factory, forest factory, that there's no news on GPP. So I was wondering. So later that I now saw that they lost from the China GDP of $5 billion. Uh, so that's because
because of,
yeah.
yes, sadly, because also the Canadian government give them a high tax rate too on the electric motor, massive one like America.
In fact,
it was massive.
As at yes, that this morning also that 100% increment
and the
Prime
Minister.
Wow.
Yes. Yes.
So, all this is contributing to the market is not stable. It's not really stable because I pray that God will help the world. A lot of issues are this third quarters of the year, a lot of issues. So, but we don't have control over fundamentals, over all these things that's happening. All we have control is our technical to see a possible way where we can trade and what technical is doing. But recently is that the market is not even being it's not even giving room to technical play out. Because when you see a good technical player entry, fundamental will just come somewhere and deviate all these things. So it's happened. It's just once in a while. What is happening now? It used to happen once in a while in the market. So it's not a new thing. We don't have to work up about it. So as for the US dollar, can see that now the market has come to critical area now that let's see what will happen from this area. Now it has come to a critical support or a demand that two things can happen. Continuation breaking this demand area and price continue down, or we could see price start creating a bullish outlook from here. So, but as far as we are still concerned, on the daily perspective, we are bearish. On weekly, we are bearish, but not that a total bearish, because all what I can see is that we are in what? In a range band from the weekly perspective. So the weekly is not really clear in terms of DSY. But based on candle formation, we have seen that printing 1, 2, since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 weeks now, we have been bearish on this particular guy. And now we have come back to this demand area where we had a bounce from around December 2023 Then our price has come to that place. And we can see this last weekly candle close bearish. This, when you see a candlestick close in this format, it's a sign of serious bearish. So the only way we can return to bullish is when this bearish candle is closed bullish. So on a weekly perspective, before we can say, okay, we are confidently bullish back on dollar, is we want to see whether an engulfing candle that closed the previous bearish weekly candle, or we see whether 2 weeks candle that closed a bullish above this bearish candle. So that's where we can see that, okay, that we will be bearish, we are reasonably. If you look at that, I think that compared with this low here. So for us to resume bullish, on DXY, which is dollar index, we will have to see price close below this low. You can see this couple of resistance. Then maybe a close from there, then you can expose to that bullish on dollar. Otherwise, our projection still remain that we are bearish. So now coming back to daily, so we can see a bounce, price pay to close below this low. We can see a little can we call it liquidity sweep yesterday on this daily candle. So we are looking at two zones where we could see price we get to, and then the bearish. Now we have this supply, So two things, price move to this supply, then boom, come break this low, then we now begin to receive what? A continuation. So that is one aspect. Or better still, price can make a pullback back to this supply, then before continuation. So so we should expect maybe this week or now till Wednesday or Thursday a pullback on dollar index. So that will open for further declinations of the dollar index. So you can see that from a daily perspective, we are really, really bearish. Price is giving us what? Break of structure to downward. So now that will give us to a room to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, you can see. So it's whether we will find our zone on 4 hours. So it's something like this, then it collapse. Or use this place as inducement, then it collapse. So it means that from daily to 4 hours, we are still much bearish on dollar. So if we are bearish on dollar, then I don't want to look at counter trade. I don't want to look at any buyback. No, we want to stay, because of the nature of the market generally, want to stay on one direction, trade on the market or the market direction, right? So now, that will now lead us to GBP USD. So on GBP USD, on weekly perspective of GBP USD, we are bullish. You can see we are bearish. We are bearish on euro, on dollar. We are bearish on dollar seriously, and even on GBP, we are bullish seriously. So weekly now is pointing out bullishness. You can see how we close the last bullish candle. Last week we closed on bullish. So I'm still seeing continuation on the bullish, But nevertheless, we are coming to a supply zone now. The price is moving to a supply zone, which is this 1.33027. So I wish it stands as a liquidity place. Then that's the liquidity place, then which we have. And after the liquidity, we have this open imbalance and the open supply that is here. So what this price, this liquidity this week, tap into this zone, then we can maybe a correction the correction can happen from that zone. So this shows that GBP USD we are bullish. From weekly we are bullish. So now jumping to daily. Daily also pointing out that what we are bullish on daily also. So we are also bullish on daily. So now by daily structure that which you need us to follow, this is we have price, the break of structure here. Now price is pointing. So we are now price are leaving behind some internal imbalance, internal liquidity that we can see sprinting out. So we don't know what is going to happen. Maybe price will go first, sweep this liquidity, right? Then before the pullback, the price will continue. That is one scenario that we can see. But I just want us to focus on looking for a buy opportunity. Now, we don't know what is going to happen before the end of the week. There's liquidities that is waiting for us at 1.33027. Price share the liquidity and give us a pullback. So for now, there's no way we can enter any trade. We cannot enter any trade now on this GBP USD. So because we need to look for an entry and the entry we are looking for is bullish entry. So when we go to 4 hours, so 4 hours, you can see that price are really doing what? All this is also you can see we have this, just that price is creating very narrow break of structure. All this is already regarding what as a form of break of structure. So just that price is not giving a serious pullback for an entry. So price is giving us what? Higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. We have not really seen a pullback in this surge. So, and I can see now that is coming very soon. This kind of price action is very narrow. It's very narrow. So we should expect a serious pullback as price develop, maybe on this zone, liquidity zone here. After that zone, we can see that pullback. So for a day trading perspective, now because I can see now that price is not printing a serious pullback for us on the higher time frame for entry. So for a day trading perspective, you can begin to drop to an hour time frame and look for what entry. So you can see here we have break of structure here, price move up. So if price return to this demand, I think we can look for a buy opportunity from this demand. So we can look for a buy opportunity that will take price back to this high or to this liquidity. So this is a price can come to this place. I can see now that price has formed what a couple of lows, which can stand as what a liquidity or inducement for price. The price come to this area, then we can look for a little buy opportunity here, day trading, and to secure some bags. So that is the way I'm looking out for GBP USD. We just need to continue. No need of counter trading or selling it. Just look to trade with the trend. I can see that it's seriously bullish. So that is one. Then before we can determine that this guy is changing to maybe this thing. So we want to see price creating before I'm having interest of selling this guy. I want to see price creating what? Not just only one change of character. I, I want to wait for change of character. Then another sell-off, then a break of structure. So the hair in 4 hours. So that will now begin to print out, okay, we are changing to bearish. So I need to see price in this manner. So firstly, to see a convincing change of character or shift in market structure in 4 hours, then that will not even make me to sell. Then after that, another break of structure. So we are beginning to see a break of structure, which means price has shifted to a higher high to lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So that will not change the bias that okay, we can be looking for a sell opportunity. Otherwise, no such. So as we start now, all we'll be looking for is the buy opportunity. Then that will move to Euro USD. Euro USD, the same thing is playing out. Is seriously bullish. We are seriously bullish on Euro USD, and we have this liquidity that's resting above 1.12743 here. So I'm seeing price coming to sweat that liquidity. If there will be any sign of reversal, price is coming to that place. So going to 1 hour look for entry. I'm looking for entry on 1 hour because 4 hours price is not coming to a zone where we can take trade. So now, from 1 hour perspective now, you can see clearly we have our break of structure here. So looking for as in a distance, I'm looking for a buy opportunity from this zone and back to this zone. So if price is creating an inducement, maybe price coming back to this zone, I want to buy from here. So a buy 20 to 24 stop loss, I think will be okay. Then let's see what price we do. But along the other way around, as I'm looking for a buy, this low here is a protected low. This low or this low here. So a price, whatever make price to close below this low here, couple of lows here, then that would be what? A change of character or shift in market structure from 1 hour. Then that will now begin to give room to the same way perspective, a break of structure that we can begin to look for what? A buy opportunity. So this is where price give us a break of structure, a pull back there. So a change of character. So I will not be going for what? A sell from as price is creating lower low and lower high. So until then, we are not selling. Rather, we will be looking for what? A buy opportunity on Euro USD. So that is my take. GBP USD, AUD USD. From daily perspective, you can see this is where I target that price is coming. First liquidity and second liquidity to be taken. Now, price did not sweep liquidity yet. Now price has created what we call equal highs, and he has created another liquidity pool on the daily perspective. So I'm still seeing bullishness on AUD USD. Then this zone is the next draw on liquidity. the price close above here. So what we should do is to see if we can get a buy entry and continue. You can see that this guy is seriously bullish. So we just want to ride the direction. We have a change of a break of structure. So as price return back to this demand, then we'll look for a continuation to buy. So that is that on AUD USD. We are seeing now that every currency is trading against the US for you to know the downturn of the US. So all we'll be looking is to trade against the USD for now because this is bearish. Gold. Gold is another thing. We continue looking for a bullish on gold because gold is seriously bullish. Now we have this high. The price is pretty something here on gold now. This is the high that was created. This is the all-time high now at 2,531. Now you can see that if the price is shifting, price is not getting to all-time high. So now we have this low. Now this will become what? A protected low for price. So whatever that made price to come and close below this low, that would be a shift in market structure. Then we begin to see that can work for a downtrend on gold. So let's see how gold develop. But investors are more buying gold than to sell gold. So this area now, let's see what price we print here. So here is a place that we look out for, maybe for a bullish or change in market directions. So for gold for now, let's go to an hour. Yes, so we can it's not really print out what we can see. I favor more to bullish on gold than to sell because the price is seriously bullish on gold, and we just need to flow with market direction. So let me quickly move now to some JPY here. GJ. GJ is ranging now to 4 hours. So if you are still bullish on GJ, I just want you to know that your bullish is still valid because this is the range we are trading with, and we can still see a more push to the upside on GJ. So we are seeing much in discount. I'm still seeing price pushing up on GJ. So GJ, I'm still seeing more up for GJ. Just that on 4 hours now, price is respecting this area, this supply zone. Price is respecting the supply zone. So if you have a clear of this zone, then that will continue be a bullish for GJ. Now, Great British pounds and Japanese yen. Now, pounds is strong. A couple of the news we are receiving on Chinese and Japan environment, it could cause a weakening for Japanese yen. So let's see how this will develop. But I'm not saying this guy, unless there's a serious intervention again, that a downside for this guy. So you can still maintain your position, but if you are buying, just make sure you have secure a good profit. Now, this low is a protected low now that must not be broken. This low must not be broken on the 4 hours. So if you have been buying, you can move your stop loss to around here to secure profit. So whatever that make price to close below 1888, then it will be bad for that would call that account to bearish. So that's for GJ. Please, if you have any currency you want me to look at, drop them on the chat. There are a lot of you are able to cover everything. So if you have any USD cards, seriously bearish, seriously bearish, seriously bearish on USD cards. Okay, so let me play rush. So we are bearish on USD cards. Any pullback, the pullback to sell. It's a pullback to sell. So all you should be looking for USD cards is a opportunity word. Maybe to sell, not to buy, because we are bearish. Technically, we are bearish. So we'll be looking for opportunity to do what? To boom, to sell on card. Okay, Euro share. Euro share. Euro share. Euro share. The market. Okay, so let's see. We are bearish on Euro share. We have daily on daily perspective. We have our break of structure from down medium. We have our break of structure. Let's see where market gets to before. So we have market coming to about a premium, return from premium. That's about 65. So I'm seeing price coming back to this low. The price coming back to this low, because that's how market works. You have those of us that know ABC pattern. So we have SAB, ABC. Then the D leg is forming. So price is coming there. Price is coming there. So that's my focus on Euro share. Whatever is happening here, all these internal break of structures is not to be considered, because the overall market trend is a downtrend. And based on 4 hours, this is the range we are on. 4 hours now. This is the range we are. Okay, this is the range we are dealing with. So we are dealing with it from this high to this low. And now for price, the only way we can turn to bullish is how much price take out this high. But as no price not take out this high, guys, we are bearish. Just I don't like the momentum that price is creating. So I'm consistent, we are rolling back below here. So if you have opportunity to be in a trade from this high, just hold on to your trade. Hold on to your trade. I'm seeing this guy rolling back from daily. We are bearish. We have not changed yet. We have not changed. So the bearish is still more intact. So that's for Euro share. Card share. Okay. Card share. Card share. So card share daily. You know me, I love to love. So daily. So this one is still playing the same, but I'm seeing this guy that it will still push up. Card share will still push up. Will still push up before this. So I'm still seeing card share pushing up, maybe to this zone before selling. So I'm still seeing card share pushing up. If you are selling now, you are doing amateur selling, early entry. It's not, I'm not seeing selling from now based on daily perspective. But if you look at it on 4 hours, the price, I don't like this type of price action where price will just be going on a linear direction. So when you look at it on 4 hours, yes, it has come into a sell zone. So let's look at it from that 4 hours perspective. You know that all this trade is don't like the price action. It's not really give us a clear direction. So if you look now, let's analyze for 4 hours. We have this high, we have price come to premium 4 hours, then we have this high, we have price giving us what? A little tiny bit of structure here to the upside now. Price has this low, all this low now will be clear. So on 4 hours now, price has changed to bearish. So now, putting my table from this high to this low. So yes, so we push up to that zone. Yeah, a little push up again. There can be for a sell opportunity. So maybe this zone for a sell opportunity from that zone from 4 hours. So that is very so we are selling there, your stop loss is above there. So in case the price want to push up, it will be a good place for you to go out. Something like this. That's about 30 pips stop loss. So you can target this low. So that is hard shell for me. But for me, I don't like the price action. Not clear. So that's it. That is it. So these are the clear direction we have now is Euro USD. I love where market is trending. You can get a buy to continue. GBP USD is trending. AUD USD is trending. Then NZ USD also is going to the upside. Any pullback, they pull back to buy. But otherwise, USD card, very good, trending market. Pullback is to sell. USD share. This guy, he can't make to amaze me. Imagine you work perfectly on market structure. Look at it. From this high to this high at 71. Look at it. I thought the price will go back for me again. This guy, he has been giving a massive delivery. So that was the perfect entry. Look at it. Whether you use 68, 68, 61.8 to enter 71. Now, that is a very about good. That's about 300 pips delivered. So these are the kind of price that we see. So we want to look at what happened below here. And if price break here, so if price close here, then we'll look for another a pullback and sell. So that we will not be working from this high to the next, to the new low for a sell. Where we market likely to go, we have few minutes to go. Then we've seen that price, this is done liquidity for price. So I've seen price come to 0.832 96. So guys, that is that for my end. So I don't know if you have any question. On Thursday again, we'll have another live session and see how price has developed. Thank you for